Happy to see you here on my channel Math Brain, and today we have a really great challenge, a really tricky, relaxing challenge. We have 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 3. Maybe this is challenge you've ever seen. We have only subtraction, only division, but in the same way this is a very tricky challenge because a lot of students can't solve this challenge. A lot of students don't know how can do this. A lot of students make this common mistake, and in this video I'm going to fully explain you how can you solve this challenge correctly and step by step. First of all, I want to start with this first interpretation, okay, but before solving this challenge, I suggest you to pause the video, try to solve it by yourself, 3 options, and let's test our answer, let's check our answers in the end of the video, so it will be really interesting. So first of all, this is our first interpretation. So what do we have right here? We have 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 3. So a lot of students don't know about order of operation and they start from left side to right side. So what do we have right here? On the left side we have 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0, and we still have this expression, so we just rewrite this expression, so division by 3 minus 3. Right now once more from left to right, so what do we have? 0 divided by 3, which is equal to 0, and 0 minus 3, which is equal to minus 3, and we have this option. This is option A. So a lot of students solve this challenge like that. They say, okay, I solved this absolutely correctly, and let's go to the next question, okay? But I want you to look at this second interpretation, for example. A lot of students solve this question like that. So what do we have? 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 3. A lot of students say, okay, we have 3 minus 3, we have 3 minus 3, we have right here 0, right here 0. This division in the middle, we have 0 divided by 0, which is equal to 0, but this is not like 0, we can't divide it, so some students confused, so this answer is undefined, they don't know about it, but they say, okay, correct answer is option B. It looks like correct answer is option B. But in terms of maths, it's really great to know about order of operation, because we can't solve our challenges randomly, we can't solve our challenges wherever we want. We should know what is the correct order of operation, because as you can see, two completely different solutions, two completely different answers. But it's really weird to solve a question with two different answers, okay? And in this second interpretation, let's use our order of operation. For example, let's use this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific, graphing calculator works according to this PEMDAS order of operation, okay? This PEMDAS, this is the most popular order of operation in the world. And how does this PEMDAS works? PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses, next we should evaluate exponents, next we should evaluate multiplication division group, and the last step is addition subtraction group. So highest priority parentheses, lowest priority addition subtraction. So in this third interpretation, let's solve this challenge according to this PEMDAS order of operation. So what do we have? 3 minus 3 divided by 3 and minus 3, okay? And right now let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge, because we can easily go from the top to the bottom, and let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. So first step, parentheses, okay? So parentheses, let's scan where do we have these parentheses right here in this case. We don't have any of those, we don't have any brackets, so we just skip this part, we don't have parentheses. This is really great. What about exponents? Maybe 3 squares, 3 cubed right here, let's look at it. I don't see any of those, we have like a regular expression without any powers, so we also skip this part with these exponents parts. Okay, the next step, multiplication division group. Let's scan where do we have this multiplication division sign. Multiplication sign, division sign, let's look at it. Where do we have multiplication sign? We don't have any multiplication sign. What about division sign? Yeah, we have division sign right here. Right here, this is our division sign. So it means that we should divide at first 3 divided by 3 right here in the middle. And if we go a little bit further, right here we don't have any addition sign, but we have 2 subtraction signs. So we have subtraction right here, and we have division right here. It means division has the higher priority than subtraction, so division at first and next subtraction. Okay, so let's do this. So what do we have right here? 3 minus 3 divided by 3, which is equal to 1, and minus 3. Okay, right now very basic subtraction. As I told before, our last step is subtraction, so 3 minus 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1, and this is option C. And this is really confused part, this is really weird part right now, because we have 3 most common mistakes and 3 most common solution, okay? But right now let's go through the steps real quick. Let's go through the solution. Let's look, for example, at this first solution, because right now here is the main question: what is the correct answer, A, B, or C? Let's look, for example, at this option A. This is a very weird solution, because as you can see right here, subtraction, division, subtraction, this is very bad order of operation, because a subtraction is all the time after division, a subtraction, yeah? We can easily see it right here. So this is a wrong solution. This is a great solution, but with parentheses right here. if you have parentheses, with parentheses this is a great solution because subtraction has the highest priority than the higher than division because of these parentheses. Parentheses has the highest priority, and then it means that everything inside parentheses has the higher priority. So it doesn't matter what do you have outside parentheses, subtraction inside parentheses has the higher priority than division. So right here with parentheses, this is a great solution. So subtraction at first, and next we have division, and the last step is subtraction. So this is a great solution with parentheses. In our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this option A, which is really bad mistake. Second interpretation, this is the worst interpretation I ever seen, because right here subtraction, then division, this is really big mistake, and right here this 0, there with the divided 0 is undefined, and this is very bad solution. With parentheses, this is a great solution because then subtraction has the higher priority, so the same logic as right here. With parentheses, subtraction has the higher priority than division. So you can easily subtract 3 minus 3, and you can easily do this like that. But about correct answer, we don't know what is equal to, what is 0 divided by 0, so forget about this solution. This is also a very bad solution. And our last hope, our option C, let's look at it. Let's look, for example, at our option C. We have 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 3, and of course division, our first step, we can easily do this. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1, and the last step is subtraction. We can easily do this, very basic subtraction. So according to a correct order of operation, a correct answer is option C, and a correct solution is third interpretation. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. I hope you understand this explanation. I hope you learned something new. But definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. See you in the next video. Thank you for your time and have a great day.